Hi everyone, I hope you're keeping well in these COVID crises. Today in this video from Bodhi Sutra, we would be talking about few tips that you can follow and ensure how you can speak English fluently. Now, बहुत मुश्किल लगता है कैसे सीखे, कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें, क्या होगा, कितना टाइम लगेगा. These questions are pretty obvious. I mean, anybody can have it. But the best idea is to start dealing with these questions one by one. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप सारे ही क्वेश्चंस को सोचें कि मैं आज ही इंग्लिश भी बोलना सीख जाऊं, मैं वोकैबुलरी भी सीख लूं, मैं कैसे फैंसी वर्ड्स बोलने हैं ये सब सीख जाऊं. बट स्टार्ट डीलिंग विद दिस क्वेश्चंस वन बाय वन. और इनको डील कैसे करना है इज़ व्हाट वी वुड बी लर्निंग इन द फर्दर वीडियोज़. Well, if you like what I'm talking about, then what I want you to do is hit that fat like button so that I know I am going in the right direction. Okay, so let's start with tip number one. So the tip number one is very easy. All you have to do is start reading. अब पढ़ना क्या है? Books तो बहुत boring लगती है. Well, the books that you have been picking up are of wrong interest. What do you mean by this wrong interest? By wrong interest, I mean read something which is of your interest. Now it could be a variety. For example, when I was in class 7th, I loved reading romance novels. Now I started with Chetan Bhagat's love story and now I have ended up reading a lot of international authors. So आपकी शुरुआत उससे कीजिए जो आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लगे. अब हो सकता है आपको स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में पढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता हो. यदि स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो वैसी ही बुक उठाइए. मे बी यू कैन पिक अप अ ऑटोबायोग्राफी बाय एनी ऑफ द स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन. लेट्स सपोज आपका इंटरेस्ट किसी और चीज़ में है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. आपको कुकिंग में इंटरेस्ट है तो मे बी आपको एक कुकिंग की बुक Now we are going to deal with that. What are the kind of books that we have to read? We've discussed that if you have interest in cooking, then pick up a book and start reading which is related to your interest. If you're interested in sports, then pick up a book which is dealing or has something to do with sports. Start reading it. आप वर्ड्स यूज़ करना शुरू कीजिए जो आपने स्पोर्ट्स की बुक में पढ़ा है या कुकिंग बुक में पढ़ा है. मे बी इनिशियली यू वुड स्टार्ट लर्निंग अबाउट what are the appliances in the kitchen, what are the other things that we can do in kitchen, maybe baking, cooking, heating, all of these things, or frying for that matter. So it could be anything that interests you. You are able to pick up and learn those words. So once you have learned those words, you would be able to store that as a data in your mind. When you've started storing it as a data, start going on to the next step, which is speaking. Now with speaking, what you have to basically do is just speak. जहाँ अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, जहाँ मौका मिले, बस शुरू हो जाओ बोलना. ऐसा सिंपल. दिस इज वन सिंपल टिप. मान लीजिए यू हैव अ मीटिंग इन द ऑफिस and there is nobody who's ready to nominate that who is going to start off with the Monday morning or any sort of opportunity that you're getting. Nominate yourself. आप खुद बोलिए कि हाँ मैं इस टाइम पे बोलूँगा. जब आप बोलेंगे तो हो सकता है पहली बार बहुत मुश्किल लगे, हाथ कांपेंगे, कभी स्वेटिंग होगी, कभी कुछ होगा, कभी आपको ऐसे लगेगा जैसे सब आपको ही देख रहे हैं, राइट. बट उस टाइम पे अपने आप को बस ये समझिए कि आप ही हैं उस कमरे में और कोई है नहीं. स्टार्ट कीजिए कि एक दीवार की तरफ देख के यू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग and then eventually move on to looking into people's eye and speaking. Example, like initially when I started making this video, I would always look in the eyes and then speak, but I could never look in the eye of the camera. But now look, I'm able to make this video looking in the eyes. So the point is that जब आप speaking की practice कर रहे हैं उस टाइम पे आप ये मत सोचिए आप कितने लोगों के सामने बोल रहे हैं या कौन आपको देख रहा है या कैसे करें. जस्ट बी योर सेल्फ. इफ़ यू आर स्कैर्ड इट इज़ ओके. जस्ट ट्राई टू फॉलो अ फ्यू टिप्स. एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू आर शिवरिंग अ लॉट, कीप योर हैंड्स क्लोज लाइक दिस so that you know you are in the right posture. Do not touch your face. Do not touch your hair. Key tip, never do that. The moment you start doing all of these movements, the other person is very quickly able to assess the fact that you are getting nervous. तो सामने वाले को ऐसा कुछ लगने मत दीजिए कि आप नर्वस हो रहे हैं. बस कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलिए. और बोलना क्या है, अगर कुकिंग बुक पढ़ी है तो उसकी कोई रेसिपी पढ़ी हो वो बताइए. इफ़ यू रेड द स्पोर्ट्स देन समथिंग टू डू विद स्पोर्ट्स, सो फाइंड अ पर्सन हुम यू कैन टॉक टू स्पोर्ट्स. वो नहीं है तो मंडे मॉर्निंग में स्टोरी सुनाने लग जाइए जिसकी भी ऑटोबायोग्राफी पढ़ी है. सो एनीथिंग फॉर स्पीकिंग, जस्ट फाइंड अ राइट पर्सन. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट I am not able to speak in front of anybody. I am just not able to speak. I just cannot do it. Then what is the solution? Then the solution is you get calls from, okay, so the problem is that we just cannot speak in public. Something goes wrong with us, we get blank, बोला ही नहीं जाता है. मीटिंग में जाते हैं, किसी के आगे बोलना है, एकदम ब्लैंक हो गया माइंड, कैसे प्रैक्टिस कैसे करें, कैसे शुरुआत करें. ओके, दिस इज द की क्वेश्चन दैट वी आर एड्रेसिंग. द बेस्ट वे एंड द बेस्ट वे टू यूटिलाइज दैट टाइम. आपको कस्टमर सर्विस से कॉल आता है, सर आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन बाइंग वन ऑफ आवर इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी, और आप बोलते हैं नो 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 नॉट इंटरेस्टेड एंड यू हैंग अप. ये नहीं करना है. हमें क्या करना है, उस इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी के लिए सारे क्वेश्चंस तैयार करो. कैसे? Just ask the person, okay, can you explain me a bit about this policy? Can you tell me what is the tenure of this policy? Can you also tell me that what is going to be the cost of this policy? So when you are putting across these questions, you are basically learning how to speak. Okay, so practice it. Practice this way. Start utilizing whatever customer service calls that you're getting it. If you're not getting any calls, then start calling customer service. That's a free service. So maybe you can call up Idea or Airtel customer service and just ask them basic questions like what are the new plans that I can upgrade to, what are the new features of these plans. So when you start talking to people, you would eventually learn how to speak fluently. Because one of the key problem is that a lot of people in our country are able to learn English, they are able to write English, they are also able to understand, but when it comes to the execution part which is in the form of speaking, वहाँ कुछ हो जाता है, कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हो ही जाती है. या तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे सोचने लग जाते हैं, या फिर बार बार बोलते हैं यू नो यू नो यू नो यू नो, बस एक ही चीज़ को रिपीट करते रहते हैं, वर्ड्स कम यूज़ करते हैं और फिलर्स ज़्यादा यूज़ करने लग जाते हैं. सो इफ़ दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स यू आर फेसिंग, देन start following these tips that I am telling you today. Now we'll move on to the next tip that we are supposed to follow. So we've dealt with that, we have started reading, we have also started speaking to people. Now there are problems with when I am writing emails to my boss. What can I do with that? So what you can do is you can read a lot of articles. Articles in the form of make newspaper your best friend. Start reading the way that these authors are writing and try to pick up few lines. वहाँ से आप थोड़ी lines उठा लीजिए and start inculcating them. माने अपने उपयोग में इसको लाना, इस्तेमाल कर दीजिए जो भी आपने लाइन सीखी हैं. मान लीजिए आपने कुछ आर्टिकल पढ़ा ग्लोबलाइजेशन पे. While you were reading that article, you picked up a word or a line, something to do with I am waiting to hear from my boss. Okay, so this is what is you have read in the article. So start using such similar sentences in your emails. Similarly, when you start using a few of these sentences, eventually there will come a time where you would start searching for better and alternative sentences to write an email. So for writing, the other way to practice it, आप कुछ भी चीज़ देखिए, कुछ पढ़िए, किसी से कुछ इंटरव्यू सुना है तो लिसनिंग करी है, उसके बाद आप उसको अपने वर्ड्स में एक पेपर पे उतार लीजिए. द मोमेंट यू आर एबल टू डू दिस एक्टिविटी, वट एवर यू हैव मग्ड इट अप, जो भी आपने सीखा है, रटा है, उसको एक पेपर पे उतार दीजिए. एंड देन वंस यू आर एबल टू डू इट अगेन एंड अगेन, दैट इज गोइंग टू सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम. सो राइटिंग इज ऑल्सो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट टिप. If you are very good at writing, then start speaking. Okay, so try to pick up that what is that one thing that you are lacking at. क्या चीज़ है जो आपको तंग कर रही है? स्पीकिंग तंग कर रही है, राइटिंग तंग कर रही है, रीडिंग में इशू आ रहा है, तो इन टिप्स को फॉलो कीजिए. Okay, now we'll move on to the next tip, which is watching. that how we can learn English via watching, and this becomes a final key tip of learning English. Now, what to watch? That's a very important question. You are watching my video right now. This is also watching. Are you learning anything? Well, you are a smart bee already. You have learned so much. So just when you are talking to your friend, just tell them that today I was watching this video with Bodhi Sutra and I have learned a lot of content. This is also watching. What are the other things you can watch? If you are, for example, watching a movie, can you learn? Yes, of course. But I am not asking you to watch movies which are just all to do with English. You can watch a movie maybe in your native language, but there is one thing you have to ensure. Just ensure that when you are watching a movie, then the subtitles are on. So while you are watching a movie, read the subtitles that come along with them. If you are continuously reading those subtitles, I can promise you that you would be able to learn at least 5 to 6 lines of English from there itself. On top of that, if you're reading them in a different language, for example, your movie is a Malayalam movie and the subtitles are in English, so you would also have a better idea at expressing yourself. Because a lot of people have this problem that they know how to say something in their local language, but when it comes to expressing in English, that's when they fail. So this translation activity of watching a native language movie in your native language only, but reading it with subtitles is going to definitely help you improve how to translate and have better words in your mind while you're speaking. Okay, so you just have to read, write, speak and watch, and while doing all these activities you would be able to learn English. Don't forget to like my video. Thank you.